Most people believe one simple thing. They think that if they save $1 million, they can easily retire in the United States. A comfortable house, no job, no stress, a peaceful life. But what if I told you that today, $1 million is not enough to retire in the USA? Yes, it sounds shocking, but this is the reality. Every single year, the cost of living in America is rising. Healthcare is becoming more expensive. Housing costs are increasing. Daily life is getting costlier than ever. In this video, you will discover how much money you really need to retire in the United States. You will understand why most people fail in retirement and the truth that no one openly talks about. Watch this video till the end because it may completely change the way you think about money and retirement. Part 1. The biggest retirement myth. For decades, people have been taught one idea. If you save $1 million, your future is secure. Back in the 1990s, this idea actually made sense. At that time, $1 million had real power. But times have changed. Today, inflation is slowly destroying the value of savings. Every year, your money loses its purchasing power. Things that were affordable 20 years ago are now extremely expensive. Housing, healthcare, insurance, food. Retirement today is no longer about how much money you save. It is about how long your money can survive. If your money is not working for you, it will slowly disappear. That is the harsh truth most people ignore. Part 2. The real cost of retirement. In the USA, now let's talk about real numbers. Imagine an average retired couple living in the United States. Here's what their monthly expenses usually look like. Housing costs, around $1,500 to $2,500. Healthcare and insurance, $800 to $1,200. Food and groceries, around $600. Utilities, internet, transportation, about $400. Other miscellaneous expenses, roughly $500. When you add everything together, the total monthly expense comes to $4,000 to $5,500. That equals roughly $60,000 per year. And remember, this is not a luxury lifestyle. This is a simple, decent, and realistic retirement. Part 3. The dangerous math of retirement. Now let's talk about math. If you need $60,000 per year and you retire at the age of 65, and if you live until 90, that means you need to fund 25 years of retirement. 60,000 multiplied by 25. That equals $1.5 million. And this calculation assumes something unrealistic. It assumes no inflation, no medical emergencies, no market crashes. But real life does not work like that. In reality, to retire comfortably in the United States, you need closer to $2 to $3 million. This is the number most people never calculate. And that is why they are shocked later in life. Part 4. Why most people fail to retire. Most people fail in retirement for very simple reasons. They depend only on savings. They ignore inflation. They underestimate healthcare costs. And most importantly, they never build passive income. Retirement does not mean you stop working. Retirement means financial freedom. It means your money works for you, not the other way around. Without income, savings eventually disappear. Part 5. The smart retirement strategy. Smart retirees do not just save money. They build systems, they invest, they create rental income, they earn dividends. They use retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs properly. Their goal is very clear. Their monthly income must be higher than their monthly expenses. The day your income covers your expenses, that is the day you are truly retired. Conclusion and call to action. So the question remains, how much money do you really need to retire in the United States? Not 1 million, not even 2 million alone. You need a system that generates income for life. If this video opened your eyes, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who still believes retirement is easy. Because the truth is shocking. But now,